PMP and CAPM Introduction. 8 must-to-know points about PMP and CAPM certification. What is PMP and CAPM? About PMI, that is Project Management Institute. Benefits of PMP and CAPM certification. Is PMP or CAPM good option for my career? Eligibility criteria for PMP and CAPM certification. Journey towards PMP and CAPM certification. Examination pattern for PMP and CAPM certification. PMBOK exam guide. What is PMP and CAPM? PMP stands for Project Management Professional, whereas CAPM stands for Certified Associate in Project Management. Project Management Institute aims to prepare a common language of the project management professional all over the world. About PMI, all rights are reserved with Project Management Institute. It's established in 1969. Global organization headquarters in Pennsylvania, USA. Project Management Institute is non-profit organization. Over 5 lakh members worldwide, over 171 countries. PMI is actively engaged in advocacy for the profession, setting professional standards, conducting research and providing access to wealth of information. PMI also promotes career and professional development and offers certification, networking and community involvement opportunities. Benefits of PMP and CAPM certification. PMP and CAPM is the world's most prestigious project management certification, and there are thousands of PMP CAPM certification holders around the world. It's globally recognized certification, professional achievement, enhanced knowledge in project management, greater recognition, increase in self-confidence, enhanced marketability, better career opportunity, and higher earning potential. Is PMP or CAPM good option for my career? Are you planning to advance your career in project management? Do you want to start your career in project management? Do you want to find project management jobs easily and increase your salary and knowledge? If your answer is yes to either of the questions, then PMP and CAPM certification is very good option for you. Eligibility criteria for PMP and CAPM. For PMP, a secondary degree along with following: minimum 5 years, that means 60 months of professional project management experience, 7,500 hours spent on leading and directing projects, 35 hours of project management education. For 4-year degree along with the following: minimum 3 years, that means 36 months of professional project management experience, 4,005 hours spent on leading and directing projects, 35 hours of project management education. For CAPM, a secondary degree along with following: 1,500 hours spent on leading and directing projects, 23 hours of project management education. For 4-year degree along with the following: 23 hours of project management education. Journey towards PMP and CAPM certification. First step is get the training for PMP, which is for 35 hours, and for CAPM 23 hours. Preparatory program gives the participant the insight on PMBOK, knowledge on project management and confidence to face the exam. Second step, become PMI member. Participants are suggested to pay and become PMI member during course as this brings commitment. Third step is submission of application. During the training, participants should submit the PMP and CAPM exam application for PMI's review. We will guide how to fill application form with details to avoid rejection. Fourth step is application review. On submitting the application, the participant will receive an email from PMI on the review of application accuracy and completeness. Fifth step is getting eligibility code. The participant will receive an eligibility code over email from PMI. This code is essential to schedule the exam. Next step is scheduling the exam. The exam date should be scheduled for the eligible participants in the nearest Prometric center online. Online practice sessions. On last session of the training, the individual login IDs and password for the benchmark online exam portal will be sent to the participants' mail IDs. Last step is getting PMP certified. Participants will take 4 hours examination of 200 questions for PMP and 3 hours examination of 150 questions for CAPM and then get PMP and CAPM certified. Examination pattern for PMP and CAPM. PMP exam pattern. It's 4 hours long computer-based exam conducted in Prometric centers. 200 multiple choice questions mixed randomly across process groups. Out of 200 questions, 175 are for final marking and remaining 25 are pre-test questions. There is no negative marking in the exam. Examination scores are confidential. CAPM exam pattern. 3 hours long computer-based exam conducted in Prometric centers. 150 multiple choice questions mixed randomly across process groups. Out of 150 questions, 125 are final marking and 25 are pre-test questions. There is no negative marking for the exam. Examination scores are confidential. PMBOK exam guide. A guide to the project management body of knowledge. PMBOK guide is essentially recognized standard for managing projects in today's marketplace. The PMBOK guide is the most widely recognized standard by project managers across the world and provides guidelines that are industry neutral and can be applied across a variety of disciplines, industries, experience levels, budgets and timelines. The latest version, which is released in 2017, is the 6th edition of PMBOK guide. Unique features for PMP and CAPM which we provide at our institute. PMP certified trainer with 16 plus years of experience in project management. 35 hours of classroom training. PMP exam preparatory guide. Benchmark portal login for 16 days which includes 2000 plus validated questions, 6 full-blown mock exams, handy review options with know your answer, post-training support, well-equipped classroom specially for PMP and CAPM course. You can contact us on our mobile number which is 9850893380. Thank you.